How to log in Hotmail app. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Hotmail application on your device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see this interface. With the lower button, there are two options: add account and create new account. Since we are trying to log in, you have to go for add account option. After that, you'll be able to see this interface where there is text field. So in that text field, you need to enter your email associated with your Hotmail account. You can also go for add Google account if you have made your Outlook account with your Gmail or Google account. After that, you need to choose your Gmail account with which you want to log into your Hotmail account. Once you are done, you will be able to see this interface. If you want, then you can read this description. It's all about allowing access to Hotmail to your Google account. After reading, simply scroll down below and you have to go for allow option. Once you are done, you will be able to see this interface. If you want to add another account, then you can also go for add. If you don't want, then you can simply tap on maybe little option in the left bottom corner. By doing that, you can see my Hotmail account has been logged in. So this is how you log in Hotmail app. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.